Ethula ubufakazi, umqondisi wesikhungo esiqapha ukusebenza kwabezindaba, iMedia Monitoring Africa, uWilliam uthe izindaba ezingamampunge ezasabalala ezinkundleni zokuxhumana zaba nomthelela ekubhebhezeleni ezibhelu zanyakenye KwaZulu-Natal kanye naseGauteng.
We know, and we've seen from COVID, for example, disinformation about COVID can lead to direct loss of life. So this isn't something that, oh, well, it's a little bit bad and a little bit unfortunate. This is something that can lead to loss of life, which is a very real problem. In addition to that, what it does, disinformation, on a fairly fundamental basis, is it erodes people's sense of knowing what's real and what isn't.
UBird uthi izindaba ezingamampunge zibeke engcupheni umbuso wentando yabantu.
The moment people get to a point where they don't know if this is real or if that's real, they don't know if the post by the president is real or if the post by someone pretending to be the president is real, it means they can't make an informed choice. If people are unable to make an informed choice, they're not existing in a democratic state.
Uqhube wathi nabezindaba abawenzanga umsebenzi wabo ngendlela ukuhlinzeka izwe ngezindaba ngalesikhathi salesibhelu. Lokhu kwavulela uSomathuba ukuthi bakwazi ukusabalalisa izindaba ezingamampunge ezinkundleni zokuxhumana.
You may be familiar that the South African National Editors Forum commissioned it's now known as the Satchel report, looking into media credibility issues, and there were a whole range of faults and flaws pointed out, many of which they obviously still need to address.
Namhlanje kulindele ukuthi lesigcawu simemezele ukuthi umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uzovela nini phambi kwaso. Isigcawu siyaqhubeka. Ezindabeni ze-SABC ngumbuso Mkhize, eGoli.